Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see me on the road. It's late. I'm pissed the fuck off. I'm pissed off because this man, him like we have the key them, but everybody don't have them own key yet. And him have the key and it's like he got me a pen. Anyways, long story short, me have to just reach home because I wait for him to come along and then just reach. And if I walk go in. So me have vlog with you now because I'm alone up on the road. I'm alone up on the road and I don't know nobody. And I don't want nobody come rape me and kill me. Because what that mean, you know? Bumper clad cow big. Puss to the hole. Hey, look here now, people. When I reach home, I done that vlog. But guys, I have a whole heap of video for come out. I'm going later, I make sure I do 2 video phone. No? I have a whole heap of video for come out. Oh, bumper clad. Me all nearly drop people. First me see this. I taxi man I shout after me camera. I'm nervous on the road. I'm alone afraid of this. And if I'm alone afraid to walk on the road with people, I don't like people that much. So yeah. No bumper hole. Guys. I don't know if I'm afraid of them, so I have to walk on the road with people. I know if half of them probably watch a video, yeah, because when can't sit down and watch a video with dark and so. No. But we cannot do better. I try running. Can't help it. I walk a go in. Yes. Whew. I'm a phone I drop, every blood clot thing I drop. I'm not telling no lie, I'm nervous till me I want pee. So I'm nervous and I'm pump on I catch coward. Guys, my hair is done by These Lavish Looks. I purchased the wig from her. She colored it because this is the cast to me having whole color, it's a blue whole color, so she colored it. And yeah, I don't know what the thing go. My walk go in, guys, yes. Nervous and afraid like what. So I have a story time. To give you know. I'm not giving you no story time, but just I want to say it's nerve-wracking right now. Boy, I never nervous from the day I born. I'm not like too, I'm afraid of dark, you know. I'm a coward when they come onto the dark. I'm afraid of dark. As God he lives. Hey you man, wait for me if you pass the dog then, no? Cause I don't want the dog to bite me. I would have run tonight, well then and bite me up. So one dog bite one girl tear off his skull. They know that? So I want you to make me run left you.
Wait there. You can't go so back and put some other right there for you.
Why?
Because you come like me know you.
Where you know me from?
I always put some little ranking down and not give us anything.
What make? What make I say nothing?
I always put up your little ranking talk them for IG and so.
Oh.
You know, I'm scared. Tell me about you now. I know you see you want to come to me.
So what you try to say?
That's why you have manners.
To who?
When you put up on your IG or whatever, you have manners.
Have manners to who?
At least somebody can follow you, see?
So you not follow me where you live?
I saw me live.
Exactly, you live so not follow me. You go your yard and me, I go my yard. Turn back and go along and tell me now ball. You think me a coward?
I'm still full of mouth.
Me supposed to full of mouth and the dog them me that run from, I know you.
I don't want them bite up your thing.
Bite up who?
No manners, I might not step in the mud down here, so.
Oh, you see you? Or you say you shall get what you're looking for. I am a promise. I am a possibility. The boy say him want the dog them fi bite up the. That means say you no love me.
No, but
So just sit and watch the pre. Whether I want to have manners or not, you have to tap in.
Manners, you have to stop dealing with
Me not have no manners.
a human being. You have to stop.
So what you do? Me must cuss you then because you must say something frank and tasty for me sitting them.
Power.
What did you say?
Me not even reply for you sitting them. Me just
You better make sure.
Watch and laugh.
Oh,
We have time.
that is the purpose of the video then for you to watch and laugh.
You have manners.
Me not have no manners to
I
me
record
now.
me not take you away so you can record
Me a record you, huh? Tell you me a record. Me been a record long before you reach.
You put me for something
Of course,
you
YouTube. Go watch it later, because I upload my video. Me da record long before you come in at this.
Why that put up that something there?
Can't tell me blood clot that.
Do.
You can't tell me that. You see yourself, you see your screen black? You're obvious not in a hit.
Yes, because me dark.
Well, you're lucky.
Straight here, go your turn now.
You go along your way, me I go for me.
Then in a business, go on for your way. Pass on, galang.
You galang. Go on because me I go so, you I go so. Go on for your ways and me go on mine.
Me go for me ways.
Galang man.
For your backside, man.
Where? And then that's how I rush and tear up yo. I want them bites, you see. I see a dog them. People, then I saw I got them on and see me a roadie. Him not rate D. Him don't rate D at all, boy. Yeah, man, sir. So, as I tell you guys, piece of kill blood clot me. Excuse my language, yeah, but people murdering me. Oh, boy, look at now. I can't even wait till me reach me yard. Oh, I must run reach far your fret. No, sir. I couldn't hold it. Me did have to let that out. Sorry, but I couldn't hold it no longer. Yeah? Girl couldn't hold it and so, so me just done piss. Shake off. And me I go, bomba clip me turn up in the ants nest. Why? Ants my bite me. Me know you can't see me now, but Ush is so. Ush is so. I know you can't see me. Bomba clot look like a hole. Ants blood clot. Next me turn up in a little while. No, Jesus.